Now, as for our Japanese yen index, as we will be comparing our currency pair to our Japanese index. So the first one I have here is our JPY index. As you can see, those who watched my video yesterday where I said that we will be having a bullish move. First of all, we will be having a bullish move 1, a bullish move 2, 3 and 4. First of all, when our price reaches this our area, then we will be having a breakout to this our second area. Then we will have another bullish move to this our is it third area. Then we would have another bullish move to this our area here before you actually now see that massive fall on our JPY. That is exactly what we should be looking for on our JPY index. How we should be looking for. So now price has eaten this our area here, which has given us a bit of support. So we should be seeing a breakout. By the way, we should be seeing a breakout to continue our bullish move to this our area here. So that is exactly what our JPY index is actually showing us. So that's exactly what we should be moving, as our JPY has been falling, going short for about 2 to 3 weeks now. We should be seeing that bullish move now as a consolidation. Let's see on our daily time frame. As you can see that our price has moved down a little bit, so you should be seeing that bullish move as a consolidation before you actually now see that huge fall. So before you actually be able to get that our consolidation finish. By the way, let's see our price movement for today. As you can see that our price has tested this area, we should be seeing a second area for our price to come here to test, then before our third area. So let's see how many pips it will be giving us. That should be giving us about 100 plus pips. I don't think we will be able to hit it today, but probably next week we will have the continuation. So that's for our JPY index. Now our first currency pair we have is our CADJPY. As you can see, since our JPY index is going bullish, so any currency pair relating to it will actually be falling. For our 1 hour time frame, our CAD is actually falling. To our 4 hour time frame, even our daily time frame, our CAD is actually falling. So let's see if you can draw a trend line. You can see the trend line here. As we can see now, we as price has gotten to this our resistance trend line, we should continue be seeing that fall, as our price is actually reacting to this area multiple times here. So we should continue be seeing that fall breakdown to this our area. We are aiming to this our area here, as place where our card will be getting to before you actually see that reversal move. But before that, let's see if we'll be able to go short and grab about 50 to 60 pips today. That is exactly what we should be looking for on our CADJPY. So that's exactly what we will be going for our CADJPY. Our second currency pair we have is our Swiss franc JPY. So let's see if our Swiss franc will be able to push up a little bit to this our area here, hitting our resistance level to this our area here. Then we actually now see that our fall straight down to for our Swiss franc JPY. That should be giving us about 100 and plus pips, but I don't think we'll be hitting it today. So the continuation will be having a continuation today. So our today movement is actually bearish on our Swiss franc JPY, but let's see if we actually have that a little bit of bullish move before we actually now take that our sell position. Let's see if our 30 minutes time frame will give us. Okay, since it's not showing us, let's see on our 1 hour time frame. So we should be actually going shorting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now on our pound JPY, as we can see, I want to continue be seeing going bullish. Those who watched my video yesterday, and like I said, we are actually going bullish to this our area here before we actually see that our price fall. So that's exactly what we should be looking for today, as our pound will be going bullish before you actually see that sell. So that should be giving us about 100 plus pips. So let's see if our price will actually be able to give us that pips today. As you can, let's highlight it as our mid range support or resistance, anyway you want to call it, but I'm seeing there will be a possibly breakout, then continue push up to this our area before we actually see that sell. By the way, possibly there can also be a reversal whereby our price will come back to retest this our area here before we actually see that sell. So basically we should be looking for a bullish move on our pound JPY for today. So our New Zealand JPY, let's see if our price will be able to react here and see if it will continue going to our giving us that sell position to this our area here, which should be giving us about 81 pips, by the way. So that's exactly what I'm moving for. By the way, there's every possibility that our price can actually reverse, pushes up back to this our area here, to the this our area which has served as multiple resistances. So we should actually be watching out as how our price will play out today, which if we are to take the buy position, that should be giving us about 80 to 90 pips on our New Zealand JPY. So on our odd JPY, we should also be looking for a short position to this our area here before we actually now see that bullish move continue up. So that is exactly what we'll be aiming for on our odd JPY. Since our 4-hour time frame is bearish, our 1-hour time frame is actually bearish. So let's consider that our bearish move to this our area here before we actually now take our buy position up. On our Euro JPY, same thing, we should actually be seeing a little bit of push down to this our area. Let's our price come to test this place. Is it where our price have seen a pullback during our bullish move, where our price have seen a pullback? Let's see if we can take our sell position down there before we actually can continue our sell position to our second area. Then we can actually now be looking for a buy position. So that is exactly what our currency pair will be showing us today, by the way.